Alright, back again. We're almost done. Let's continue wiping this down. There we go, that's nice and dry. Put that back down. And then I usually just wipe the clips down a little bit with the oil rag. All three of them. So, they don't get damaged and they slide. There's metal on here and stuff. I don't want nothing to get rusted. Like that, like so. And you just wipe them down with the dry one again. Make sure the springs are good still. These clips are 13 clips. So I can hold 13 plus 1 in the gamer for each round. And that's 14 total. But usually I put like 12. Sometimes, because these are still brand new, I never really get it down to 13. I think the one clip does hold 13, but the other two, the spring's really tight, so it doesn't hold the full amount. And then we'll stop this video and I'll put everything back together.